I'm Andy from Nationwide, and I'm responsible for health and safety and fire safety for the Nationwide group. We chose the Evac+Chair as it's the best equipment on the market. We receive good quality pre-sales advice from Evac+Chair, and the servicing and training also helps us to ensure that we can maintain the safety of our staff and customers. The fact that we can see the chairs being made in Birmingham, and we've actually seen them being made, the quality of the equipment and the passion of the staff at Evac+Chair in building the equipment is really influenced, and it was really satisfying to see. Anyone that's been trained can use the chair. We've got small female members of staff that can actually use the chair and are very competent in using that chair. It's around competence, training, and there's good training provided by Evac+Chair, and it's about maintaining that competence. Once you've been signed off to use it, maintain that competence, and anyone can use it. We would use the Evac+Chair in the event of a fire evacuation, a security incident, or in cases of things such as a lift failure, to ensure that we can safely get people out of the building. The benefits of using Evac+Chair is that enables us to have a controlled evacuation, ensure that everyone is safe and everybody gets out of the building, and we can account for everyone. Evac+Chair are a really good organisation to work with. They always deliver. The customer service is excellent, the after-sales service is excellent, and the training is very, very good. With regard to provision of Evac+Chairs within the Nationwide premises, Evac+Chair will come to site, they will site survey, and they will ensure that we have the appropriate equipment for necessary to the level of risk and the premise that we've got. And that's one of the benefits that Evac+Chair bring to our organisation.